Downloading data from Uber Eats can help you keep track of your orders and preferences. Follow these steps to easily access your data. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your mobile device or visit the Uber Eats website on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. In the app, tap on the profile icon or menu option, usually located in the top corner. On the website, look for your account name or icon. Step 3. Find data download option. Look for an option related to privacy or data management. This may be labeled as download your data or something similar. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Request data download. Follow the prompts to request your data download. You may need to specify what type of data you want, such as order history, payment information, or preferences. Confirm your request. Step 5. Check your email. After submitting your request, check your email for a confirmation message. Uber Eats will send you a link to download your data once it is ready. Follow the link to access your data. By following these steps, you can successfully download your data from Uber Eats. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Uber Eats customer support for assistance.